Welcome to School Management, a software provided by Dreamfiller Software Solution Private Limited. So in this video, we will like to demonstrate you about the software which we have built. This is the admin role. This is the admin credentials which we have already filled out. And by using a login button, you can log into the portal. In this particular dashboard, you are able to see the entire details like a student, how many students you have, how many teachers already enrolled, what is the pending fees, what is the collected fees, or what fees is being already collected. So the birthday information and all the relevant information which has already been there. So this is the hamburger menu item where you are able to see all the features which we have incorporated. So whenever you are able to get this particular portal, the entire master data has been empty. So the first responsibility of admin is to fill all the master data related information, in which classes, sections, department are the mandatory one which the user needs to fill out. If I like to show you what is there inside a classes section, so I'll just click on that. You are able to see the class's name. The class name needs to be filled out as well as the section information. So this is the default section which you have to fill out. So once you have filled the classes and section, so section, if there is a possibility that you have multiple sections in it, so you need to choose a specific class and you can just type a section, and you can also see whether what all sections are already there in your class. Whereas department is a mandatory feature which you need to fill it out, because without the department the teacher enrollment can't be done. So this is the bare minimum requirement. Okay, so here you need to just type the department name and click on save, so the automatically saving of the department is being done. There are a few additional information which definitely admin needs to fill it out, like FAQs and school information. So in the FAQ section, you are able to see what all frequently asked question by the student, parent. So you need to fill all the information. Like if you can see, these are the two questions which we have already filled it out. You need to click on this edit button to view. And there is a school information page where admin needs to upload a school image. School name is being filled by a master data from the Dreamfiller side itself. So the admin have no responsibility to modify this information. If you click on update, automatically the school information will be updated. Okay, so now as soon as you created a master data with department, it's time to create a teacher. So you need to just fill all the relevant information for a teacher, like teacher name, and there is a list of departments which you have already enrolled. So you will be getting a drop down to select from that particular list. And there is some additional relevant information like add bank details. So if the user needs to, or if the admin decided to make any payments by using this portal, that is also one of the feature in the advanced option which we have provided. So as soon as the teacher is enrolled and the progression happens, so these entire forms will be automatically getting filled based on the tracking records. The main feature is like this will give you a end-to-end overview of the entire teacher academic career, whereas which all subjects he or she is teaching. So user can just put a PTM feedback rating, and based on that particular rating, the user information or the teacher information will be getting updated. And this particular information will always have a appraisal score associated to it. So whether if he or she is having a good in academics and the learning capacity, the learning curve is really good, then this appraisal score will automatically be increasing. And there is a homework analytics based on the teacher as well. So the teacher needs to analyze whether the homework is submitted on time. Okay, so the last feature which I like to demonstrate to you is with respect to the student performance tracking. That is one of the most important feature which we have covered in this section. After selecting a class, you need to just select which particular student and which academic because AI engine is running on top of the entire student information. So this is the information which we have gathered, like with the overall performance of 66% around, and the attendance is really good. Homework, she will be doing all the homework on time. The learning cap is 3.0. Average score is 65.9 percentile, which he received in across the subjects. This is the academic performance for her. In the below section, you are able to find a physical stats, mental ability, focus, emotional stability, stress level, communication, mental health rating, and what about the physical rating. So these most of the information will be manually entered by a teacher while having a PTM session. And the below section which you are able to identify over here is like a behavior evaluation and PTM feedback. So most of the information you can see over here is AI insights. So based on the data which we have provided to a AI engine, it will give you a proper analytics out of it. So this will really help a teacher to give a proper eye on a student, whether what needs to be improved in the student and what is the current state of a student. Yeah, so here I like to conclude this entire demonstration of having an overview session of school management. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day.